What's going down, everybody? It's your boy Trey Treasy back again with another Crease Pod mail call. As you see, we got a 2-pack. Gonna get rid of this one for now. Might have to bring that one back later. But we do have the Dunk vs Air Force 1-pack. First off, I want to start off by saying thank you. We really appreciate y'all following and subscribing. Continue to do that for us. We really appreciate it. We got 2 pairs. This is gonna be the first of the 2. I'm really looking forward to these. Everybody's looking forward to the other ones, but as you can see, undefeated. Dunk vs Air Force 1 pack on the top of here. This is an 11.5 undefeated branding with Nike on the back. This box is fire. Love this box. Let's see, you got Dunk Air Force 1 paper going all the way on the Dunk Air Force 1. Bringing it back in 2021. Let's see here. Ooh, the Ballistic Air Force 1. Look at this green, black. Logos all over the shoe. Look at this. This is fire. This is a clean shoe. Alright, let's jump into these. The Ballistic Nike Air Force 1 by Undefeated. You get all the types of textures on this one. The swoosh is one on the black swoosh. The Ballistic toe box. The side panels are a whole different texture, so it's a really interesting shoe. They did a lot on this one. You get the 5-strike logo on the tongue. That's really cool. Branding all over. You get the 5 strikes on the back heel as well for Undefeated. You get Nike Air on both the heel tabs on the back, which is like a nice suede texture, which is not on the rest of the shoe. A much tougher suede. Other than that, you get the cream khaki-ish aged-looking sole that everybody loves nowadays. So comes right out the box like that. Nike does have the Dunk Air Force 1 logo on the insole. This is a really cool shoe. Alright, we have cargo khaki and light loading with the black, so I think that's a perfect colorway for this shoe. The light loading, the olive green light color sits so nice on the cream and black outsole. So yeah, we really appreciate y'all tuning into another Creased Pod mail call, the Nike Undefeated pack. You know, if there was 2 of them, then that means that there's one more to come probably, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram. We'll catch y'all later. Peace.